Hello everyone, here's your teacher Orlando, and this is today's lesson, express locations and give directions. Let's listen to that conversation.
Page 18, Conversation Model. Exercise A. Read and listen to someone asking for and getting directions.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the National Bank.
The National Bank? Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 205 Holly Avenue.
Oh, walk to the corner of First and Holly. It's right around the corner, across from the museum.
Or if you don't know,
the National Bank? I'm sorry, I'm not from around here.
Thanks anyway.
Page 18, Exercise B. Rhythm and intonation. Listen again and repeat in the pauses. Then practice the conversation model with a partner.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the National Bank.
The National Bank? Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 205 Holly Avenue.
Oh, walk to the corner of First and Holly. It's right around the corner, across from the museum. The National Bank? I'm sorry, I'm not from around here.
Thanks anyway.
All right, now let's remember and review some locations. If you want to know the location of a place, the question is, where is the? Where is the bank? Where is the hotel? Where is the pharmacy? And so on. Let's listen to that pronunciation.
Page 18, Vocabulary. Locations and directions. Exercise A. Read and listen. Locations. Where is the? It's on the right side of the street.
It's across from the park.
It's down the street from the museum.
It's around the corner from the theater.
It's between Main Street and Mercer Avenue. Directions. How do I get to the? Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the light. Turn left on King Street.
Go 2 blocks and turn right. Walk 2 blocks and turn right. Drive 2 blocks and turn right.
Go to the corner of Smith Street and Bond Avenue. Walk to the corner of Smith Street and Bond Avenue. Drive to the corner of Smith Street and Bond Avenue.
All right, so when you want to know how to get to a place, this is the question. How do I get to the pharmacy? How do I get to school? How do I get to church? And so on. In this page, you're going to listen to some conversations and number the 3 places that are mentioned.
Page 19. Exercise B. Listening comprehension. Listen to the conversations and write the number of each place the people talk about on the map. Be careful. There are 3 places, but 7 boxes. Conversation 1.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the city center. Do you know where that is?
The city center. Let me think. Oh, sure. Go straight down the street.
Pacific Street?
That's right. Then turn right on Atlantic.
Right on Atlantic.
Then go to the corner of Indian and Atlantic. The city center is on the right side of the street. You can't miss it.
Thanks.
Conversation 2.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the art museum. Actually, I'm not from around here, but I think that's it, right across the street. Oh, right, I see it now. Thanks.
Conversation 3.
Ma'am, excuse me? I'm looking for the Clooney Theater.
The Clooney Theater? Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 600 Hudson Street.
600 Hudson Street? Oh yeah, I know where that is. Walk straight down Bay 1 block, then turn left on Adriatic. Walk to the corner of Hudson and turn left. It's right there on the corner.
Page 19. Pronunciation. Rising intonation to confirm information. Exercise A. Repeat information with rising intonation to be sure you understand. Read and listen.
Where's the library?
The library? Let's meet at the mall.
The mall?
Okay, we use rising intonation, o sea, subimos nuestro tono de voz para confirmar si entendemos algo que se nos está preguntando. For example, here the question is, where's the library? La persona pregunta, the library, para asegurarse de que entendió la pregunta. Entonces ahí el tono se eleva. So try to do your own conversation here and use some of the vocabulary from the previous page. You can ask about different locations from the map. Now let's see the next part, which is make plans to see an event. Make plans to see an event. You have to listen to the different conversations and complete here in the boxes.
Page 20. Listening comprehension. Exercise A. Listen for details. Listen to people calling the Kingston Culture Fest. Conversation 1.
Kingston Culture Fest, this is Amy.
Yes, hello. Can you tell me where the classic film series is playing?
Certainly. It's at the Lamont Theater. Do you know where that is?
Oh, actually, no. Could you give me the address and directions?
Sure. It's at 1175 66th Street, between Central Avenue and Greenway.
Thanks. The movies all start at 7, right?
That's right. Every night at 7 o'clock.
And one more question. What's playing tonight?
Tonight. That's May 6th. You're in luck. Tonight there's a double feature. Nice to Meet You and The 39 Steps. 2 movies for the price of one. $10.
Conversation 2.
Good morning, Kingston Culture Fest. This is Amy. May I help you?
Yes, thanks. I'm interested in the history of Latin music lecture and concert on May 11. That's at the Natural History Museum, isn't it?
Yes, that's right. 110 Greenway, right across the street from Green Park, in the large auditorium.
Are there still some seats available?
Let me check. Yes, I have some seats available for the matinee. Would you like orchestra or balcony?
What's the difference in price?
Actually, those tickets are free. If you just give me your name, you can pick them up at the museum box office a half hour before the talk.
They're free. That's great. I thought they would be really expensive. In that case, I'll take the orchestra seats.
Fine. Those seats will be in row E, seats 10 and 11.
10 and 11E?
Yes, that's right.
My name's David Duclos. Oh, and what time's the matinee?
2 o'clock.
Conversation 3.
Good evening. This is the Kingston Culture Fest box office. How can I help you?
Hello. I need 2 tickets to the Ludacris hip hop concert.
Which day?
Friday the 10th, please. That shows at 7:30, right?
Right. We have orchestra seats at $25 and balcony seats at $18. Which would you prefer?
I'll take the balcony. Are they good seats?
All the seats at Kingston Concert Hall are good, but I'll check for you, sir. Yes, those are front row in the center, seats 201 and 202. I think you'll be very happy with them.
Great. By the way, just to be sure, what's the address?
3600 Central Avenue, across from the park.
I'm confused. Green Park?
No, Lamont Park.
Oh, I know where that is. Between 71st and 72nd.
No, you're thinking of the sports complex. The Kingston Concert Hall is on the corner of Westway.
Thanks. Let me give you my name.
Conversation 4.
Kingston Culture Fest, can I help you? Yes, I need 2 tickets to The Lion King. I just love that play. I do too. It's a classic. Which day would you like to see it?
Saturday the 11th.
Oh, I'm sorry. Saturday's sold out. What about Sunday?
Okay. Is that playing at the Lamont Theatre?
No, it's not. It's at Kingston Gallery 2. There's a really big theater inside.
Fine. Where exactly is Gallery 2?
It's on Central Avenue. It takes the whole block between 73rd and 74th. On Sunday, the show's a matinee. It starts at 2:30. All seats are $50, and
Conversation 5.
Hello, Culture Fest.
Hi, I'd like to order a ticket for the Picasso lecture.
Certainly. Which day, please?
Thursday, if that's possible. And how much are the tickets?
Let's see. Yes, I've got space on Thursday. All seats are $36.
Let me just confirm the time. That's at 8:30, correct?
Actually, it's at 8 o'clock on Thursdays.
And the lecture is at Kingston Gallery 2?
No, it's at Gallery 1. That's on Greenway, across from the Natural History Museum.
Between 70th and 71st.
Right.
Now look at the
Okay, guys, you can repeat the audio 1, twice, 3 times in order to confirm the right answer. You will listen again, and then you will have to write the places, the number of the places that are mentioned here. After that, you're gonna read about these informations and write the event, the day, date, and time of the event and the place. Let's move to the next and last lesson, which is about musical taste. Musical taste. In what ways is music important to you? What's your favorite musical taste? How do you feel when you listen to your favorite music? So let's read. And after reading, you will be completing this exercise, true or false. Here we have more. You can talk about your musical taste. And to finish, you're gonna use what you have already learned from this unit and complete the different exercises that you see here. Let's listen to the pronunciation. I will say the conversations to complete this part over here.
page 24. Review. Exercise A. Listening comprehension. Listen to the conversations about entertainment and cultural events. Complete the chart with the kind of event and the time of the event. Conversation 1.
I feel like some loud music tonight.
Like what?
How about some rock? There's a great concert at PFX.
Who's playing?
Rock Around the Block?
Oh, yeah? What time's the show?
10 o'clock?
You know, on second thought, that's past my bedtime. I have to work tomorrow.
Conversation 2.
Hey, there's a reception at the Clark Street Gallery for their new exhibit.
Really? Who's the artist?
Martin Yu.
Martin Yu. I love his flower photos.
Me too. What do you think?
What time's the reception?
From 7 to 9.
Let's go.
Conversation 3.
What are you doing tonight?
Nothing much. Why?
Well, I've got an extra ticket to 12th Night.
12th Night. Isn't that a play by Shakespeare?
Yep. Want to go?
Sounds like fun. What time?
8 o'clock at the Stage Theater.
Great. I'll meet you there, in front of the box office.